Okay. All right, so what's the model on that mower, Carlos?
This is a 32 series.
Kabota 32 series, 60-inch deck?
60 inch.
Okay. Right in the back of the truck. And now we're going to get loaded up here with the 22 series. Okay, so you take a look in here and he's got a super lawn truck, Eco Series truck. It's got two full-size zero-turn mowers, plus there's a Billy Goat vacuum up there. He's got his fertilizer spreader, he's got extra fertilizer, he's got, as you can see, an arsenal of trimmers, blowers. He's got the built-in air compressor. A lot of equipment in the back of this truck. 18-foot overall length on the SLT Eco Series and plenty of room. Pretty cool, huh?
Yes, sir.